What's up, guys? It's me, Brandon Gaming. As you guys can see there in the bottom, I got a magical chest yesterday. I'm gonna show you the replay, but first let me show you the image that I took. Hold up, I took a screenshot when I won, and then I'll show you right there. Watch. Yeah, I got that, and then I'll show you the replay real quick if I can. Alright, so I'm gonna open it in this video. Dave HD, where is he at? I can't find it. It's somewhere here. Where you at? Right here. Alright, so let me show you the replay. Passed it, so. Alright. Come on, load up. The sound effects and stuff is off, so. Fast forward that. As you can see my replay. He almost took out my tower down there. Yep. But then that's the only tower he's gonna get. So he kept throwing in arrows, but he was stupid. He was using the arrows only for that. Cause I sent my skeleton army and over there. I put my barbarians. See that? I'm too good. And I sent my baby. Yeah, my baby dragon. Then my minions did a lot of work, and then I won. Damn, dude. All right, then I'm gonna open this chest right now for you guys. First I'll open the free chest. Cause I want to get something different now. I always have the same stuff. Enough for the magical chest. Oh, a lot of gold. Elixir collector. Warner, have that. Oh my gosh. Zap. Giant. Oh! Good tornado. Me. Got a tornado. I don't even know how to use it, so. Oh my gosh, I got a tornado. I don't think I'm gonna use it though. But finally, I got something new. Where's my? I bought this from the store. I'm gonna upgrade it though. Yeah. This is my deck right now. I don't want to upgrade my minions. I'm gonna take up all my money. Alright, so this one, videopers.com, subscribe. And I see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Oh yeah, also, you guys wanna join my clan? Yeah, right there. The Raider clan. We have 19 people in here. What was I say? Alright, Twitter, Instagram, link in the description down below. So yeah, bye, guys.
Yeah.